The installer integrity check has failed. NSIS, null soft scriptable install system error usually means that the installer file is either corrupted, incomplete, or tampered with. Here's how you can fix it. 1. Re-download the installer. Go to the official website of the software. Download the installer again using a reliable internet connection. Avoid using download managers or third-party sources. This is the most common fix. File corruption during download is often the culprit. 2. Use command line to bypass the integrity check. If you trust the source and want to force the installer to run, open command prompt CMD as administrator. Navigate to the folder where the installer is located using cd command. Run the installer with this command. Installer.x NCRC. Replace installer.x with the actual name of your file. Use this only if you are sure the file is safe. This bypasses security checks. 3. Clear temporary files. Corrupted temporary files can interfere with installations. Press Win+R, type temp and delete all files. Then do the same with %temp%. 4. Check for malware or antivirus interference. Run a full malware scan. Temporarily disable your antivirus firewall and try again. Some antivirus software blocks or alters installers. 5. Use a different browser or network. Sometimes your browser or connection can corrupt downloads. Try downloading the file using a different browser, e.g., Chrome instead of Firefox. Try a different network, e.g., mobile hotspot versus home Wi-Fi. 6. Check system drive and RAM. Run chkdsk to check for hard drive errors. Use sfc scan no in command prompt to repair system files. Use memory diagnostic tools if you suspect faulty RAM. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more just like this. Got a question or thought? Drop it in the comments. I always check them out.